Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mayuri and we are on episode 2 of Indian folk art series. So on today's video, I will be sharing another beautiful Indian traditional folk art, which is Madhubani painting. And also I will be adding a little description about this art form, like the history, evolution, style, designs, further in this video. So do watch it till the end. Also friends, I have tried this painting for the very first time and this was my first attempt. I hope you all like it. If you do, then please like my video and also subscribe to my channel, because I will be sharing more about Indian traditional art forms in my coming videos. So yeah, for now, let's get started.
Madhubani painting is one of the famous Indian art form and it originated from Madhubani district of Mithila region of Bihar. That is why this painting named as Mithila painting or Madhubani painting. This painting is characterized by its eye-catching geometrical patterns and are known for representing ritual contents for particular occasions such as childbirth, celebrations, marriage and festivals. Traditionally, Madhubani painting is done on freshly plastered mud walls and floors of hut made from the paste of powdered rice. But nowadays, they are also done on clothes, handmade papers and canvas. Madhubani painting has remained confined to a compact geographical area and the skills have been passed on through centuries. The content and the style have largely remained the same. Some of the initial references to the Madhubani painting can be found in the Hindu epic Ramayana, when King Janaka, Sita's father, asked his painters to create Madhubani painting on his daughter's wedding. The knowledge was passed down from generation to generation and the painting began to adorn the houses of the region. The women of the village practiced this painting on the walls of their homes. Their painting often illustrate their thoughts, hopes and dreams. The style and designs in Madhubani painting mostly depict people and their association with nature, sceneries and deities from the ancient epics. The theme used in these paintings often revolve around Hindu deities like Lord Krishna, Rama, Lakshmi, Shiva, Durga and also natural objects like the sun, moon, animals like fish, elephant, peacock and religious plants like tulsi are also widely painted. If the artist come across empty spaces even after completing the painting, they usually fill up those empty spaces with the motifs of flower, animals, birds and geometrical patterns. A double line is usually drawn as the border. The usage of geometrical patterns is pretty much apparent in these paintings. The fact that these complex mathematical patterns were used in Madhubani painting makes them more special and attractive. Madhubani painting were initially practiced by different sect of peoples and hence have 5 distinctive styles: Bharani, Kachni, Tantrik, Godhna and Kohbar. First we will talk about Bharani. Bharani means a filling. This style of painting lavishly deals with the rich variety of colors and the subject used are very bold and colorful. Second is Kachni. In this style of painting, only line work is done. Usually monochrome pattern is used in this art form. Madhubani painting are also known for their simplicity, for the brush and color used are derived from the various plants and other natural sources. These colors are often bright and pigmented, like lamp black and ochre are used to create black and brown respectively. Nowadays, Madhubani art has become a globalized art form and has received worldwide attention. So, this was a short description about Madhubani art form and I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you do, then please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support.